2018 is just over and 2019 is on the horizon. So it's about time to talk about predictions for year 2019 and what is going to happen in the programming and the tech land. So here are my predictions about what is going to happen for developers and the development community in the year 2019. Hello everyone, this is Rayn Rajat, and on this channel we talk about software development and stuff. So in case you are new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel. So my first prediction is Flutter is going to go mainstream in 2019, which means that more and more companies are going to dive or dabble with Flutter, and they'll try to create working and production ready applications using this cross-platform mobile application development SDK from Google. The other prediction would be DevOps is also going to be huge in 2019. More and more companies are discovering the advantages of deploying DevOps strategies into their development cycle. So more and more companies are discovering that automation should be a way to go, and it can help them in reducing the workforce and increasing the profit margins and reducing the time to market as well. So more and more companies are going to deploy these newer DevOps strategies, and they'll try to create a culture where DevOps is the first class member of their development strategy. And we are going to see a lot of newer companies and startups deploying this DevOps strategy. So automation is going to be huge. Things like Docker, containerization are going to be huge as well. The other prediction would be about blockchain or distributed application. Now, I am not talking about the stock market side of blockchain where people were just buying cryptocurrencies in order to make quick money. I'm talking about this whole concept of distributed application. So I think that more and more companies will understand the concepts and the advantages of writing distributed applications using the blockchain technology. In 2018, we saw that most of the companies and the individuals were skeptical about what this thing could do. But I think in 2019, people and companies will try to go back to this blockchain thing, and they will really come out with a good insight about this technology, and we will see some innovative applications built upon these concepts of blockchain and distributed applications. Then in 2019, I think React Native will be on a decline unless they do something really innovative with the platform, because with the advent of Flutter, the developer enthusiasm has somewhat migrated to that Flutter thing, and it is kind of natural as well, because in the last year React Native hasn't shown any sign of progress, and we have seen companies like Airbnb dropping out of this React Native thing. So React Native has to come up with a really clever solutions to the problems people are facing out there when they are writing React Native based applications. So I think unless they do something innovative and really great with their platform, React Native is going to see a constant decline with the developer adoption. Then I think WebAssembly is going to be really huge in 2019. And by saying really huge, I'm not implying that it is going to replace JavaScript. JavaScript is going to be the language of the browsers, but more and more companies will try to optimize their bottlenecked softwares by employing WebAssembly. So they are going to write their mission critical or heavier parts in WebAssembly, and then they are going to interface this WebAssembly thing with JavaScript. And we have already seen companies like Figma and all doing this sort of stuff in 2018, but I think that a huge number of companies are going to take WebAssembly seriously in 2019, and they will deploy some WebAssembly in their production applications. So C++ is also going to get some traction from the developer communities as well, because WebAssembly basically allows you to leverage the power of C and C++ libraries from your web browser. So in case you want to future-proof yourself from the employment side, learning WebAssembly in 2019 would be a really great investment of your time. And now we have gotten to this rinse and repeated topic of AI, machine learning and automation. I think that automation is going to be huge. People from the DevOps culture already are aware of the importance of automation, so they are going to write more and more automation script. It is going to replace humans when it comes to doing the repetitive tasks, because humans should be better utilized in doing tasks which computers are not good at doing. So automation is going to be huge. Machine learning and AI is going to be developed more and more. I personally think that no matter how much we claim that AI is this capable or that capable, I think that it is just not there, and in 2019 it is going to make some improvements when it comes to the overall performance of machine learning and AI. So it is going to be improved further and further in 2019. I do not certainly hope for any sort of miraculous invention to happen in 2019. So they just keep on evolving for a while. So that is it, guys. Those were my predictions about the year 2019 and what we could see happening in 2019. Now here is the disclaimer. All of these are my personal opinion and speculations. So some of the things can turn out to be true and some of the things can turn out to be false. So with that, we have reached to the conclusion of this video. In case you are new here, we talk about software related stuff on this channel. So subscribe to this channel in case you are interested in any of those stuff, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up in case you enjoyed the content, and I'll see you around in the next video in 2019, and I wish you guys a very happy new year. Take care. Bye bye.